I'm gonna do my best to give everyone a review of Red's natural food steak and cheese burrito made with beef, made with cows, raised without natural sickening reduction antibiotics. No artificial ingredients. Here's the cooking instructions. I can't see it. So just thaw for 1 minute and then 12 to 15, 375. So this is what this beautiful thing looks like. It's pretty frozen. I'm gonna stick it in that old freezer, microwave, and it's real powerful. Oh, here's this lovely thing. I guess it's kind of squishy. You know what I'm gonna do? Seam side down. You know what I'm gonna do? Pinch of butter, pinch of salt. Hopefully I can get this to turn out not disgusting. In the toaster now for 10 minutes. I just flipped it. There's a little golden brown. I just wanted to get a little bit more golden brown. So I was just looking for it to be a little bit more toasted. Who knows? Who knows if that's enough? I don't even think it's enough. So I just cut into these things, and it's a steak and some sandwich. Can you describe what the fuck that looks like? And I wish you could smell the weird smell coming off this. You gotta be really desperate to eat this.